With your sea lights now installed in the headlight bezels, our next step is to prepare the wiring. Start by removing the two input splitters from the daytime running light harness and set the rest of the harness aside for now. You will need to cut the black and white wires leading to the LED driver and install the supplied 9006 male connectors in order to interface with the DRL harness. For this connection, you want to make sure the wires match red to white and black to black. For the ones working on factory LED headlights, this is how your DRL harness input splitters will connect. Here's a quick tip. If ever your sea lights fail to light up, be sure to check your connection at the parking light bulb socket. It may be as simple as a poor contact, which can be easily fixed by bending the metal contacts slightly away from the connector. Polarity might also be the culprit. In that case, rotating the connector 180 degrees would solve this. We are now ready to apply the adhesive that will reseal our headlight housings. It's important that the channel be completely filled in order to ensure a good seal. Once the adhesive has been applied to the entire perimeter, you are now ready to close up your headlights. Make sure you connect the LED driver to the sea light and carefully place the lens on the back half of the housing. We are now ready to put the headlight back into the oven for 8 minutes at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Coming out of the oven, you will need to carefully press both halves together. Once all the clips are secure, apply all 6 remaining screws to the headlight assembly. With your headlights now sealed up, it's time to install the DRL harness on the vehicle. We will need to remove the daytime running light resistor located right below the passenger side headlight. Using a precision flathead driver, remove the brown clip holding the terminal pins inside the connector. With the use of your precision driver, pry the plastic tabs inside the connector to release the terminal pins. Carefully pull the seals off the terminal pins and transfer them over to your DRL harness input extension. Then insert the input extension pins into the DRL connector, making sure they are locked into place. Don't forget to reinstall the brown retainer clip. The DRL harness input extension is now ready to be installed on the vehicle. Unravel your DRL harness and mount your relays with the mounting bracket facing upwards. Anywhere in the general area shown here will work. Next, feed the DRL harness input extension towards the driver's side along the lower radiator support, and simply connect the DRL input extension connector to the OEM input connector on the relay harness. Our next step is to feed the power and ground cables up into the engine compartment and secure them to the battery. Once all your connections are made, make sure you secure all your cables. Make sure you hook up your sea lights to the 9006 female connectors from your daytime running light harness. Using the supplied T-taps, connect the yellow switchback wire to the blue wire on your turn signal. One final tip, make sure everything is working properly before you put everything back together. Thanks for watching.